begins here. In the heart of Idaho, under the golden sun, where the simplest ingredient holds the power to bring people together. From the earth, a harvest is carefully gathered. Each promise of quality and flavor begins its journey. Transported to a state-of-the-art facility, technology and nature join forces to the humble potato. Precision is key. Each potato is carefully peeled, sliced, and prepared to meet the highest standards. In the heat of the oil, a magical transformation occurs. Simple slices become the crispy, golden chips we love. A light dusting of salt. The final, perfect touch that awakens the true potato flavor. Every chip is inspected with meticulous care, ensuring only the best reach your bag. Sealed for freshness, the iconic yellow bag is filled and prepared for its journey to your neighborhood. From a nationwide network ensures the crispy goodness is never far away. From our farm to your cart, a legacy of flavor crafted for every moment. Lay's. It's a simple pleasure, made for everyone to enjoy.